4 others hurt by shrapnel. And just moments ago, Phoenix police releasing body camera video from the first officer who arrived on the scene responding to a 911 call. We do want to warn you, the video is graphic and it may not be suitable for everyone. The suspect, 36-year-old Morris Jones, telling the officer to hurry over before his girlfriend, because his girlfriend was choking. Seconds later, he pulled out a gun and opened fire. The 23-year-old officer was shot multiple times, but amazingly, he's out of the hospital and recovering at home. We're going to play out that body camera footage for you right now.
Who's all in the house? Huh? Who's all in the house? It's me. I've been shot. 999.
So once again, really, really difficult video to watch right there. And we got an update from officers yesterday explaining what it was like to be there at that standoff. After the standoff with police, the suspect took his own life. The man's girlfriend was later found dead inside of the home. The suspect's brother was also ordered out of the home, and the couple's 1-month baby was eventually rescued by police unharmed. We want to play out for you a portion of that briefing from yesterday as one of the officers who was hit by shrapnel explained what the story was like, what the situation was like as they were trying to just do their jobs there in South Phoenix. Here's the latest.
A little bit of hell was unleashed early Friday morning in a South Phoenix neighborhood. Officer Aldo Nunez arrived after the first shots were fired and then walked straight into a second hail of bullets.
We just knew that it was a brother and he needed help, and we needed to get him out of there as quickly as possible.
Officer Nunez was moving in to arrest the suspect's brother, who had just placed a 1-month-old girl on the front doorstep. And that's when he felt a stinging pain just above his right knee.
You feel pain. After you hear gunshots, you feel some pain in your leg, and it's just kind of hot. It's kind of what it felt like.
Most of the officers on scene are from the Maryvale precinct, all of them now back home and on the way to recovery, and even in good spirits after cheating death.
Their spirits from the very beginning were, I would say, nothing short of amazing, because they were joking and jovial the whole time, even through the pain, which was